a whole burst of flavor is gonna come from the fish, because you know, us Jamaicans, we season our meats, we season our seafood, we just season everything that we cook.
Nice little brownie, nice little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer odds on my solo, like the man pan the polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit different. We are outside today at a park and we are gonna try and do some cooking. So stay tuned if you want to see how this goes. So this is how the fish is looking. This is one. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings, and then I'm going to just leave it for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start frying it up. So this right here is the seasonings that I brought with me. It's just a little bit of everything. It's some all-purpose in here, seasoned salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and then right here on top you can see the pimento seeds. So a whole burst of flavor is gonna come from the fish, because you know, us Jamaicans, we season our meats, we season our seafood, we just season everything that we cook. So about to go in right now with my seasonings. So this is the fish all done, seasoned and everything. About to put the skillet on and start frying.